Go directly to jail are words no one ever wants to see. Unless they're in a mugshot, then it goes viral. Hey, I'm Gillian on Buzz60. You can't have a list of things the internet loves without including unfortunate mugshots. I mean, they're not as popular as cats or anything, but on a scale of 1 to animals, unfortunate mugshots probably hover in the area of a condescending Wonka meme. It can be pretty entertaining, but then you move on until you see the next one. And with that, I give you Micah Daly and his Monopoly Go Directly to Jail t-shirt. Daly was arrested in Florida on a misdemeanor marijuana possession charge and a felony drug paraphernalia charge. So just like his shirt said, he went directly to jail. Daly posted $6,500 bail and has a trial date scheduled for December. The arrest itself really isn't anything newsworthy, but like I said, the internet gets a kick out of unfortunate mugshots, so this photo has been making the rounds. And the cops laughed about it too, as Sergeant Scott Lindberger told the New York Daily News in the most police officer way possible. It had an element of humor to it. Get out of jail free shirts are also available, by the way, but wearing that in a mugshot photo would actually be worse. So maybe just try not to have a mugshot photo taken at all. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.